Hello students, I am Dr. S.P. Narkhede from Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik. Today we are going to learn about anti-metabolite as an anti-neoplastic agent. In previous lecture, we had a discussion and understanding about alkylating agent as an anti-neoplastic drug. Now, we will continue this discussion. Anti-metabolite as an anti-cancer drug. Antimetabolite are compound that prevent the biosynthesis or use of the normal cellular metabolite. Normal cellular metabolite. These agents interfere with DNA and RNA growth by substituting the normal building block of DNA and RNA, thereby causing damage to the cell. They are commonly used as to treat leukemia, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, cancer of the gastrointestinal tract, as well as other types of cancer. Now we will see the drug molecule falling under the category of antimetabolite drugs. The first one is 6-mercaptopurine. Mercaptopurine structure is given over here, 6-mercaptopurine. So this 6-mercaptopurine, it is anti-cancer drug, anti-cancer antimetabolite. It is purine analog. It is purine analog. And purine is one of the base that is required for the synthesis of DNA strand or DNA molecule. So when such a 6-mercaptopurine means wrong DNA base goes inside the DNA of cancer cell, such a cell cannot grow, cannot divide, and cannot multiply. 6-mercaptopurine is orthomercapto 6-purine at ortho position of mercapto group is present. It is a purine analog and not active until it is anabolized to phosphorylated nucleotide. Phosphorylated nucleotide competes with endogenous ribonucleotide for enzymes that convert inosinic acid into adenine and xanthine-based ribonucleotides. Furthermore, phosphorylated nucleotide is incorporated into RNA, whereas it inhibits further RNA synthesis. One of the main its metabolite 6-mercaptopurine is 6-methyl-mercaptopurine ribonucleotide, which is also a potent inhibitor of the conversion of inosinic acid into purine. Mercaptopurine is metabolized by S-methylation process, and this mercaptopurine find use in treatment of acute leukemia. So this one is mercaptopurine, which is effective in the treatment of cancer. The drug is responsible to control the growth and further division of the cancer cell. The second member of this category is thioguanine. So this one is guanine analog. Thioguanine is chemically 2-aminopurine 6-thio. It is purine analog, which converted by hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase into nucleotide form that inhibit the number of reactions in RNA and DNA synthesis, including the activity of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate amidotransferase, the initial enzyme involved in the purine biosynthesis. Okay. So what this drug will do? This drug will inhibit the synthesis of purine. Purine is the base required for making DNA strand. And if the enzyme is inhibited, base cannot be synthesized. DNA strand cannot be built. And if DNA cannot be built, such a cell cannot grow and divide, multiply into number of another cells. Thioguanine is metabolized to methyl thioguanine, thiouric acid, methyl thioxanthine, and thioxanthine. So these are the various metabolic products of thioguanine anti-cancer. Thioguanine is used in the treatment of acute leukemia. It is used in combination with citrabine. The chief toxic effect associated with thioguanine is delayed bone marrow depression, resulting in leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, and bleeding. So this is all about thioguanine, anti-metabolite, anti-cancer drug. Now next one is fluorouracil. Now this one is another uracil base present in the DNA strand. So this is uracil derivative. Fluorouracil is chemically 5-fluoro-2,4-pyrimidine dione. So this uracil base is made up of pyrimidine ring system, or it is also named as 2,4-dioxo 5-fluoropyrimidine. It is metabolized to 5-fluorodeoxyuridine 5-monophosphate, which is known as FUMP, which block the synthesis of thymidylate and hence block the synthesis of DNA molecule. What 5-fluorouracil do? Will block the synthesis of thymidylate acid. And this thymidylate is required for DNA synthesis. So thymidylate is not available, DNA cannot be synthesized. Okay, so this is what the mechanism of action of fluorouracil. It is also converted to fluorouridine triphosphate, which is incorporated into RNA and DNA directly. It is extensively metabolized in liver, and main metabolite is dihydrofluorouracil. Use. It is used in the management of carcinoma of breast, colon, pancreas, rectum, and stomach. Next member of this category is floxuridine. Floxuridine. So it is based on the structure of fluorouracil. In this structure of fluorouracil, there is additional presence of heterocyclic ring, and the drug is named as floxuridine. Floxuridine. Okay, so it is pyrimidine analog of anti-metabolite antineoplastic agent. As a floxuridine is metabolized rapidly to fluorouracil, it shows similar toxic reaction as fluorouracil. The mechanism of action of fluoxuridine is same as that of the fluorouracil. It is metabolized to fluoxuridine, metabolized to fluorouracil, and fluorouracil then inhibit the synthesis of thymidyllic acid, which is required for making DNA strand. And in this way, it causes the cancer cell damage because DNA is not available to grow and multiply cancer cell. Fluoxuridine is used to treat hepatic metastasis of gastrointestinal adenocarcinomas and for palliation in malignant neoplasm of liver and GI tract. So, more specifically, fluoxuridine is used in the treatment of cancer related to gastrointestinal tract. Now, this one is methotrexate. Methotrexate is chemically N4 diaminopteridinial methylamino L-glutamic acid derivative. So this methotrexate act by binding tightly to DHFR inhibitor, dihydrofolate reductase inhibitor enzyme, and inhibit this enzyme. This enzyme is required for the synthesis of folic acid. This folic acid is required for making thymidylate. So as the DHFR enzyme, dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, is going to inhibit insufficient amount or no amount of folic acid is available to form thymidylate. And because of insufficiency of thymidylate, building of DNA strand cannot occur, and thereby it results in reduction in cellular replication. It is specific for the S shape of the cell cycle. Methotrexate find use in the treatment of acute lymphocytic leukemia. It is perpetually used in the combination chemotherapy for palliative management of lung cancer, breast cancer, epidermoid cancer of the head. As it enters the CNS, it is used in the treatment of prophylaxis of meningeal leukemia. So methotrexate is basically DHFR inhibitor, dihydrofolate reductase inhibitor. So it inhibits the folic acid biosynthesis and thereby affect the biosynthesis of DNA strand in cancer cell. The last member of the antimetabolite family is azathioprine. Azathioprine. So this one is azathioprine. It is purine analog. It is purine analog. A heterocyclic ring, imidazole ring, is attached to the purine ring system in the structure of azathioprine. It is well absorbed when taken orally and converted extensively to thioisonic acid that predominantly serve as an antimetabolite to inhibit the synthesis of adenine and guanine. What this azathioprine will do? It absorb in the body and extensively converted to 6-thioinosinic acid. So this 6-thioinosinic acid inhibit the synthesis of adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine are the DNA base strand. So if the bases are not synthesized properly, DNA cannot be built. So in this way, by inhibiting the synthesis of adenine and guanine, azathioprine shows anti-cancer action. It also get converted to thioguanine, which is also incorporated into both DNA and RNA and give rise to the formation of defective faulty nucleic acid, and finally helps in inhibition of cell mitosis. Cell mitosis means cell division. The toxic effect associated with azathioprine are hematological, such as leukopenia, anemia, thrombocytopenia. The main use of azathioprine is adjunct for the management and prevention towards the rejection of renal homotransplant. So this is all about azathioprine. Thank you very much. I hope you understand the category antimetabolite drug as antineoplastic agent. Thank you very much. In next session, we will understand about antibiotics as an anti-cancer agent. Thank you.